When shooting log footage, it has to be transformed into a working color space during post-production. I will show you a simple vlog to Rec.709 notary using DaVinci Resolve. First we take a look at the capability of DaVinci Resolve Film Look Creator. The timeline color space is DaVinci Resolve YRGB, DaVinci Resolve Wide Gamut Intermediate, Rec.709 Gamma 2.2 for web delivery. In the first step, I show you the CST Color Space Transform workflow preparing for color correction. We add a CST node in, and a CST node out. We use a simple color correction notary with exposure, balance, contrast and saturation, using the HDR color wheels. Now we will recreate and match colors using only the Film Look Creator. To make a comparison, we activate the Compare mode for shot matching. First, we need to get back all the informations in the highlights. Let's color match those two shots. In the last step, we add some film looks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.